Hi guys, welcome back Costa channel. Today we have Mclaren 570S. We upgrade the FI exhaust and we add race chip system GTS. Okay guys, let's start the job. Now we need to remove the downpipe. This is the right side. Now left side need to take up. So this is the air intake box need to take up. But if 720, the air box is here already. That's more easy. You take up the downpipe. So 570 need to remove on here, and only can come out the downpipe. Okay guys, now can see the difference, the FI exhaust system with the original system. So you can see the silencer is very big, so they're blocking the air, but this is the blood pressure core. And then this one is straight flow like that. And also the downpipe. So this is catalytic converter. So big difference, you can see. Okay guys, let the monster jump in the car.